All right, guys, let's do our Coat 1 light runaround. Light coat runaround. Looks like we covered up most of the rust. We missed some stuff back here at the back. Over there, especially. You see that? Over here, too. We get most of the top. Looks really rough. That's all right. I got other coats, other colors, other primers I could use to clean the rest of this up. But first I'm gonna have to go through and clean this chrome back up. Here I got stupid with the overspray. I taped up the other side. I didn't tape this side up because freaking wind has just been kind of kicking my ass for the last hour. Storm's coming in. Neighbor came over and advised me of a sandstorm. Told me to watch my ass. Neighbor's ride is nice, huh? Let's get it!